Video, I'm going to show you how you can use Copy.ai for free. Now, using the link down in the description, come to this website, Copy.ai/tools. If you come to pricing, you can scroll down here and see there are 3 different options. Most popular, this is advanced, which is up to 5 seats, 2K workflow credits, 15 marketing flows, 15 sales flows, and so on. The starter is $36 a month, and the free forever, which is a great option, especially for us, which is starting into the Copy.ai business. So we press get started for free. It will take us to a page, and then we'll log in. Now, must check your emails to get the verification code. Another thing to keep in mind is with Copy.ai for free, you'll be limited to a number of different AI tools, and you can only have a certain amount of uses per day. So keep that in mind and plan out your planning. Once you've got that code, we've entered it into our computer, waiting for a load again, which does take some time, as this is a very busy website. Now, we must sign up. So we do marketing, next. Where do you want to start? Create AI-powered content program. Next, how do we hear about us? On Google. Get started. These questions don't really matter that much, as you can always change them. And now we're in the personal workspace. And this is where you can start using Copy.ai. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe if this was helpful.